Howdy and welcome to Math 109. I will be your instructor, Cindy Roberts, and here is my contact information. You can certainly get in touch with me. You can ask questions through Blackboard. There's a form in there to ask the instructor. You can email me at any time. There's my email address, and feel free to call or even text me. If if it's something that's really long and drawn out and you want to write it in an email, you could text me and say, hey Cindy, can you go in and check your email as soon as you can because I'm having a problem. Realize that I'm actually in Texas. That's hence the howdy. So I might be in a different time zone than you if you are located in the Eastern time zone. My office hours I've listed here with the Eastern time zone. However, I really don't have office hours per se, meaning you can contact me anytime you want. I might, if it's late at night, I might turn my phone off, so if you text me at 2 o'clock in the morning, I probably won't get it until the next morning when I get up. But again, feel free, I want you to feel free to contact me anytime in this course. What's this course about? You're going to look at sets and simple logic. You're going to solve linear, rational, quadratic equations, inequalities. Going to learn about graphing. Going to look at exponential and logarithms. And then finish up solving systems of equations, which leads into a little bit of linear programming. This is the textbook for this course, The Nature of Mathematics by Carl J. Smith. Here's the ISBN number. However, the majority of this course is going to be in an online homework program called WebAssign. If you've never used it before, it's kind of cool because as soon as you answer questions, you'll know right away if you got them correct or not. So you have to go to webassign.net. You have to purchase the code, okay? And so once you get registered, then you will look in your email, my welcome email, and then also in the announcements, there will be my code that you'll have to put in to actually be into my class. All right? When you register and you get signed up into my class, it'll put this electronic copy of this textbook. Now I realize a lot of students say, well, I'm kind of old school and I want an actual book in front of me. What I would do, since you're paying for the textbook anyway, I would go get registered and see how you do with the online textbook. Wait a couple of weeks, see if you can work the problems okay, and then you could always come back and purchase the physical textbook if needed. But realize you're paying for the textbook anyway when you have to sign up into the homework area, this webassign.net. Again, remember, this is required, okay? So this is the first thing I would do is get signed up in here, and then you can start doing your homework. You'll see it looks like this. You go in, there'll be questions, you'll answer. There's some hints that'll take you to the textbook. And as you go through here, you'll actually see that you're free to work these as many times as you want so you can bring your grade up. But if there's any that you're having trouble with, just tell me, hey Cindy, can you go in? And number two, I don't even know what they're asking me. Can you help me with this problem? And then I can help you, of course, with it. Here's the breakdown. We will have discussions which will be in Blackboard, so don't go off into the WebAssign world and forget that you need to go into Blackboard as well. There'll be periodically when you have discussions. Your homework, 35% of your grade, so you see you definitely want to get into WebAssign. Test 1, your midterm, and test 2, which is kind of another midterm. These are all in WebAssign as well as the final exam. So as you can see, this 35%, 25%, 25%, 85% of your grade is in WebAssign. But don't forget about the discussions. I have students that will forget about the discussions, and as you can see, that's going to lower your grade. The normal Hampton University grading scale. In your syllabus, you will see this document right here, which is just your calendar. What I would do, I know we like to go green and save paper, but I would at least print this one page and have it with you at all times. Have it on your refrigerator, have it at your computer, wherever, whenever you do your homework. So that way you know what to do, when it's due. As you can see already, the first week you have 2 chapters of homework. You have a discussion question. So you need to get rolling right away on this and get into WebAssign so you can get doing your homework. And then of course it kind of gauges and lets you know when your midterm is, when your test number 2 is, and then the final exam is comprehensive, meaning everything in the entire course. How can you be successful in this course? Easy. Contact me. Students that stay in touch with me do quite well. We can work 5 to 10 problems every day together if that's what it takes. I am here to help you, and I want you to realize that I will help you, okay? I don't want you to feel alone, so please get in contact with me if you have any questions along the way, and let's have a great semester.